Tap to restart this app for a better view in eFootball. So if you want to fix tap to restart this app for a better view in your eFootball, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps or go with advanced features. Under advanced features, you may have an option of multi-window for all apps. If you don't find it, then you can go back on your settings and then go with your search and search for multi-window. Once you find your multi-window option for all apps, you need to go and enable it. And it might not be available in some Android devices. So if it's available, go and turn it on. After that, you need to go back, scroll down, go with additional settings, scroll down again, go with developer option. Once you're in the developer options, you need to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will have an option of force allow apps to write on external storage. Once you find this option, you just need to simply go and turn it on. And the next option is forced activities to be resizable. You need to go and turn that on as well, and your problem will be solved. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.